Developing tonight, the final hearing before jury selection begins for the former JEA executives accused of conspiring to steal hundreds of millions of dollars from the city over the sale of Jacksonville's public utility. And today we're hearing from more of the government's witnesses as the federal court readies for jury selection tomorrow. Our Renata DiGregorio is joining us live outside the federal courthouse where today's hearing wrapped up just within the last hour and a half. She's on your side tonight with what you need to know before the trial begins.
Anthony, today we heard testimony from an FBI computer scientist and from an attorney working with the Office of General Counsel who was working for JEA. They went through some memos that were about the creation of this bonus program. The attorney saying she did not see any red flags with it. But one of the big takeaways of what happened today in this hearing is that attorneys still had questions about how this trial and this jury selection starting tomorrow will work. And that's because there will be two juries in the same courtroom. From an investigation beginning in 2019 to 2022 indictments to now, finally, former JEA CEO Aaron Zahn and former CFO Ryan Wannemacher prepared to stand trial in Jacksonville's federal courthouse, facing charges of conspiracy and wire fraud. The two accused of attempting to create a bonus plan through the sale of JEA that would have resulted in hundreds of million-dollar payouts for certain executives. Expected in court when the trial begins Tuesday, the government's exhibit list for evidence, which includes videos of past JEA board meetings dating back to 2017, as well as a number of emails, text messages, and JEA presentations. Zahn and Wannemacher each face up to 25 years in federal prison if convicted on all counts. With jury selection starting tomorrow and then the trial beginning on Tuesday, we will be inside the courtroom. We'll bring you everything that happens on firstcoastnews.com. Live at the federal courthouse, Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.